2018 Kia Forte. 2018 Kia Forte Review. Lots of accessible features and long warranty coverage are only the start of the Forte's appeal. Last year's refresh has helped maintain the 2018 Kia Forte competitive inside a class with much newer rivals. Kia made updates towards the Forte's interior quality, infotainment system, active precautionary features and horsepower. All complemented the Forte's existing strengths, spacious seating and cargo space and a great deal of value. It's factual that newer compact cars made gains in acceleration, fuel efficiency, interior space, handling and technology features. That means the Forte isn't standout it was previously. But the Forte's long list of obtainable features, competitive price and outstanding warranty coverage keep it a compelling option for a compact sedan or hatchback. It has the benefit of a sporty SX hatchback trim level by having an engine increasing than 200 horsepower, putting it in a very league with just a few other compacts. If the Forte isn't quite available for you, you might like to check out the Honda Civic. It offers a great driving experience and rivals the Forte for passenger space and technology features. There's also the snazzy Mazda 3 as well as the capable Subaru Impreza to think about. But despite the presence of such strong competition, the world thinks the Forte will probably be worth a test drive if you are in the market for a well-equipped compact car. What's new? The Forte enters 2018 with only minor changes to trim-level packages. Kia offers several Forte variants, so picking one largely is dependent upon what you're looking for. But for a practical and well-equipped car, we'd simply select the LX. It's the Forte's base model yet delivers strong value. Ideally, understand with the popular package, which adds the Evo infotainment system, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, and several interior upgrades. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Kia Forte is obtainable as a sedan in LX, S and X trim levels. As you move the hatchback, the Forte 5 exists in LX, X and SX trims. The base LX trim is fairly equipped, even though the X incorporates a more extensive report on equipment. The S sedan and X and SX hatchback offer some sporty touches, as well as the SX even features a powerful turbocharged engine. The Forte LX and S sedans are powered with a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine with 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. For most trims, power runs on the front wheels by way of a 6-speed automatic transmission. The base LX comes standard using a 6-speed manual, using the automatic available being an optional upgrade. Standard features about the LX sedan include 15-inch steel wheels, heated mirrors, AC, full power accessories, a visit computer, a tilt and telescoping tire, a height-adjustable driver's seat, a 60/40 split folding rear seat, Bluetooth, as well as a 4-speaker sound system which has a CD player, satellite radio, USB connectivity with an auxiliary audio jack. Optional with the LX, but only using the automatic transmission, would be the popular package, which include automatic headlights, cruise control, upgraded interior upholstery and trim, a sliding front armrest, a rear seat armrest, a rear view camera, a 7-inch touchscreen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Kia's Evo telematics service plus a 6-speaker stereo. There's also the popular Plus package, which adds LED taillights, special alloy wheels along with a leather-wrapped tire. The S sedan commences with most of those things and upgrades with a sport-tuned suspension, 16-inch alloy wheels, LED running lights, a rear spoiler, a chrome exhaust outlet, adjustable drive modes, including steering effort, unique black cloth upholstery with white contrast stitching, a leather-wrapped controls and shift knob, along with the 7-inch touchscreen system. The S sedan's technology package adds fog lights, a sunroof, LED taillights, and keyless entry and ignition along with a few safety technologies, lane departure warning and prevention, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. The X sedan drops the sport-themed extras but adds a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine, 164 horsepower and 151 pounds-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic, fog lights, 17-inch alloy wheels, LED turn signal indicators for the mirror housings, and puddle lamps underneath, LED taillights, keyless entry and ignition, ambient interior lighting, leather upholstery, heated front seats and dual-zone automatic temperature control with rear vents. For 2018 the X also receives some active safety measures as standard equipment, including blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. For the X, there's an optional Premium Plus package that contributes a sunroof, a power-adjustable driver's seat, adaptive xenon headlights, a navigation system, ventilated front seats and driver seat memory settings. Forward collision alert and automatic emergency braking also feature in this package. From a features standpoint, the hatchback's LX and X trims largely mirror the sedans, with minor differences. The SX hatchback has a turbocharged 1.6-litre four-cylinder rated at 201 horsepower and 195 pounds-to-feet of torque, followed by either a 6-speed manual or perhaps a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. It comes standard with 18-inch wheels, a sport tune suspension, dual exhaust tips, and sporty back and front styling. Driving. The X's 2.0-litre engine delivers good acceleration for your class, plus the turbo 1.6 adds extra zip. Overall, the Forte is a straightforward car to reside with day by day. Comfort. The Forte's seats are padded, along with the available seat cooling is really a standout feature with the class. Even the rear seats are comfy. Sound insulation is a great one, with little wind noise but more noticeable tire noise. The suspension soaks in larger bumps but they can get jiggly on some surfaces. Interior. The Forte's interior planning is user-friendly, and also the materials quality is above average. The rear seat is rather spacious. Surprisingly, it's right in front where tall drivers may find the headroom somewhat tight. Visibility is great thanks to thin roof pillars along with a large back window. Utility. The Forte sedan's trunk is probably the biggest in the class. There are sizable bins for small pieces of the cabin, though some competitors boast more clever solutions. Rear latch anchors are clearly marked and accessible, with lots of room for a few car seats. Technology. Kia's Evo product is easy to use and attractive, making Apple CarPlay and Android Auto a definite plus as opposed to a necessity. While the Forte lacks adaptive cruise control, it includes almost everything else, including blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert and automatic emergency braking.